So here's the fastest way to start making money with Nexus Snap. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, Nexus Snap is on fire right now. A lot of people in the affiliate marketing, network marketing world is talking about this opportunity, and with good reason. All right. Now, one thing people want to know, and it's pretty much with any opportunity, it's like, yo, I want to start like seeing profit. I want to start like being active. I want to start seeing some money, right? So the cool thing about Nexus Snap is you can start actually generating some income immediately. So what I tell people whenever they join my team, whenever they get signed up with Nexus Snap, I tell them like, look, take some time, take a day and get all of your apps installed, all of your discount saving apps and programs, get everything set up in your back office and start using them. All right, like it's that simple. Some people don't because they're so excited about like the Snap compensation plan and getting affiliates and everything and start, building up their matrix and all that stuff. But people forget like you can actually start earning cash back on things that you buy, on your travel, on your groceries, just as a member. You know what I'm saying? Like you can start like immediately, but you do have to take that time to, all right, get your app set up, get signed up with the Shopping Boss program, get signed up with the Nexus Benefit Hub, all of that stuff. Do it and you will start earning money right away. Now, once you start seeing the power of being a Nexus Snap member, you're going to be ready to start sharing this opportunity with damn near everybody, because at that point there's going to be nothing for you to share this opportunity with your friends, with your family, with people on Facebook, other social media platforms, because you know the power, you know the benefits, you're experiencing them, and that's going to make it super easy to share. And when you can share this opportunity, people are going to join you, because once people see that you are actually benefiting from this opportunity, they are going to be like, wait a minute, whoa. They making money? Wait, they saving money? Huh? Oh man, I want to save money, right? I want to make money, because sometimes people just need to see you doing something. They need to see you doing it first. And once they see it, they're going to want to be it. Because yes, Nexus Snap is one of the easiest ways to start making money online and actually build a monthly recurring income. The key is to take action. Once you get signed up, go through the apps, use the apps, share your story, and start building your income. Now, if you are not part of Nexus Snap yet, there is not a better time than right now to get started. All right, all you need to do is click that first link in the description, and I will see you on the team.